In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy games on Ubisoft Connect. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Ubisoft Connect on your browser and sign in to your account. Now in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and select Ubisoft Store to get redirected to Ubisoft Connect Store. Now in this section, you'll be able to find all of the games that you can buy from Ubisoft Connect. Now go ahead and select a game that you want to buy on Ubisoft Connect. You can use the free coins as a new user to have a discount for the specific game that you want to buy. Click on the game that you want to buy and you'll get redirected to the game page. Now in here, go ahead and click on the select edition button to select an edition of this game to buy for your device. You can select the platforms such as PC, Xbox, and PS4. So go ahead and click on the add to cart button and this will redirect you to your cart. Now on your cart, you can just go ahead and remove the games that you don't want to buy anymore. After that, just go ahead and click on the checkout button to confirm checking out. In here, you can select a payment method. You can pay through credit card, Gcash, and GrabPay. So just go ahead and select which payment method you want to use to buy the game of your choice. Once you have selected the payment method and entered all of the required information and check all the required checkbox, just go ahead and click on the validate and pay button. And once you have confirmed paying for the game on Ubisoft Store, you'll be able to receive the game immediately on your device. And that's how you can simply buy games on Ubisoft Connect. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.